Many of us have heard about the chewed piece from which the human being was formed. But what exactly is this chewed piece? In Arabic, it refers to a small chewed piece of flesh, something that looks as though it has been chewed, leaving behind indentations and marks similar to teeth impressions. What is truly remarkable is that this is not merely a poetic expression. It is a description that closely matches what modern embryology reveals. At approximately the end of the 4th week of embryonic development, the embryo begins to take on a very distinctive form. At this stage, small repeated structures appear along both sides of the embryo. In embryology, these are known as somites. These somites are not minor details. They are the early structures that will later contribute to the formation of the vertebrae, skeletal muscles, and parts of the skin and connective tissues. But before focusing on their function, look at their appearance. As the somites form along the sides of the embryo, they create a segmented and repetitive pattern with clear bulges and indentations. Because of this, the embryo appears strikingly similar to a small chewed piece of flesh. And here comes the scientific surprise. In scientific discussions and embryological descriptions, it has been noted that the embryo at this stage resembles a chewed substance, and that the somites give it an appearance similar to teeth marks. In other words, what scientists observe today, under the microscope, reflects the same meaning expressed in the Quranic description, a chewed piece. Even more remarkable, this is not a general description of any random shape. It refers to a specific and brief stage in embryonic development, a precise phase during which this appearance is clearly visible, before the embryo progresses into more advanced forms. Could anyone at that time have possessed microscopes or advanced imaging tools to observe this hidden form inside the womb? Of course not. And yet the Quranic expression is extraordinarily precise. It does not simply describe a piece of flesh, but a chewed piece, a piece of flesh with a specific appearance, marked by repeated bulges and indentations that resemble chewing. It is not merely a phrase, it is a powerful visual and anatomical description. The more science advances, the clearer this description becomes. The Quran pointed to a stage that could not be seen with the naked eye and described it in a way that captures the true form of the embryo at that exact moment. So when we read, "Then we made the clinging clot into a chewed piece," we are not reading a simple rhetorical expression. We are reading a remarkable description that preceded human observation by many centuries.